Alright, let's see how far I can get us with one hand free. Got the bottom of the back seat here, ready to go together. There's the cover. Got both front seats apart and the bottom parts completely tore down. Got all the hardware and bolts for that one, and the hardware is underneath this one. Got both sides of the frame painted. If you missed the last video, it was earlier today. Go back and check it out. One before that. Alright, last minute thing I was going to add. These springs were starting to cut through the foam. You can see there. So I glued some carpet over it. It's a barrier. I just really need it to temporarily hold while I put it together, because being sandwiched between there will hold it good enough, but I'm going to glue it anyways. It's not a normal glue I use for holding things, but I use it to glue material to foam when I'm adding this type of foam. That's the only time I use this. And you want to use a foam and fabric spray. It'll spray like a spider web, not like an aerosol paint. Spider-Man. So if it don't look like a spider web, it's not going to stick on the foam. You can spray that stuff for days. I probably have a can over here. You want to let that dry a second too. Let's see. I should have threw it in the trash if I do have a can over here. It's all paint. There it is. Something. This is an old can. It looks like it'll do something. Industrial. Super bond. I ain't gonna hold this. Alright. And I twisted the frame back straight. It was bent. There we go. It always sits really weird up in here. Almost flips the foam through the inside from factory. And these bends might be off some more. Might do some more bending. Look at it a little closer. Let's see. Alright, and we always start in the center with our hog rings. Usually I have this inside out. Tried to get everything ready before the video. I didn't think about folding this inside out first. I'm not about to do this whole seat one-handed. I'll give you the gist of it. Line up your corners. Check your center. This should always be in the center there, but their sewing may be off. It's not. Some cheap materials. Be careful on these aftermarket seat covers, pulling them tight. You'll rip this stuff easy. It's always a problem trying to put the headrest on these. Chances are every average Joe will rip the headrest trying to install them themselves. I'm going to have to be super careful also and mindful of that. They're very tight to get on usually. Alright, so just going to flip that over. Go to that corner, flip that one over. I can do that one-handed. Come on with it. Got my knee holding the center. Yeah, it looks right so far. Alright. This is where when you flip it over, you don't start in the center. I just cleaned the floor and swept them back in good before I did all this. So again, look at the center mark. Hog ring there. This is the easiest seat of all. That's why I'm sharing this one with you. It's a little harder on the front seats, but it's not too bad. It's going to be a tight pull. It looks like it's going to be. I'm going to need both hands for this. So same thing here. You may even want to start up on the front and then come to the back and do these. So first center, front, back. And we're going to make a T or an X. And we'll go side to side. Pull around the side. Secure that one. Secure this one. That's with the hog rings. Be careful with these. Don't leave them on the ground where your seat cover is. Drag it across it. Cut it, rip it, scratch it. Alright, my pliers are broke. They're supposed to be spring loaded, but spring broke off last month. Anyways, it goes in there. And you grab the edge. There's a welt cord in this pull. There's a little bead inside there, right where my thumb is. I'm going to puncture through. You don't want to get the stitching. I'm going to come through it, right behind the stitching. Grab that bead, and then grab through the other side of the hole. Squeeze them. That's what's going to hold it. To get those off, twist them. That's trash. That's how you would have removed it in the first place. Alright, so again, pull it to the center, secure it. Pull it in the back, secure it. Pull it to the side, the other side, and then your corners, and then all in between. Go ahead and hog ring everything. Flip it over, she should be nice. So, I'll get that finished. Get these tore down. See, it's supposed to get cold over the next couple days. I don't know how much more paint work I can get put in here. But I'll get everything cleaned, prepped, steamed, and ready to go. Get you on the next one. Peace. It's gonna flip that over. Still got the tools on it. Alright, we'll be back. See it all together.